Krishna says, Guna dosha drishir dosha, gunas ubhaya varjitaha. Guna dosha drishir, one who sees guna and dosha. One who discriminates between guna and dosha. One who tries to find out guna and dosha, which means one who sees good and bad, one who tries to understand good and bad, one who tries to discriminate between what is good and what is bad. Krishna says all of that is dosha or bad. That's very interesting. He says the very approach that this is good, this is bad, this is piety, this is impiety, this attitude is not helpful. Gunas ubhaya varjita. Therefore, you should go above, beyond, and transcend.